Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these pure grains. This one is the Santorini lemon dill flavor. So it's made with quinoa, as you can see, brown rice farro. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. So yeah, these are quick, sort of almost pre-made grains. So check that out. Here's the NutriPad. If you want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients. Now, I've already done a review of the pure grains for the chipotle. This one was not bad. I actually had a little bit of heat, and it's not even that spicy, but has a nice chipotle flavor. Actually goes well with like stews and stuff. So I've been using these to make like stews to add the extra grains. So this one we're gonna open it up and do a quick taste test. So I haven't tried this one yet, so stay tuned. Let's do this. Alright, so here is the pure grains. I put it into a little bit of water to cook it up a bit, to give it some moisture, because if you don't, it's going to be kind of hard. And I put a couple of pieces of chicken in there, so yeah, so I'll be back once it's all done. Alright, here it is all done, guys. So let's do a quick taste test. It's got a lot of good flavor. It's more of a lemon zest to it. And because of the lemon, it sort of has that nice little natural salt taste to it. You can smell the aroma of garlic, but it's not overpowering, so definitely check it out, guys. If I had to choose which one I like better, the chipotle one is better. To me, this one has a nice lemon aroma, but the chipotle just has that sort of punch to it. So, and it's not spicy punch, it just has that nice flavor to it, smokiness to it. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.